Putting these Yahitech two-piece Patios bar stools together was honestly easier than what I did expect. Everything is going to come well packaged, labeled, and the instructions are actually clear, which is rare with furniture assembly, let's be honest. This took about 20 to 30 minutes per chair, and you don't need anything fancy, just basic tools, and it's going to come with everything already in the packages. The only part that takes a little bit of patience is actually lining up the swivel base and tightening everything evenly so it sits level. Once it's together though, it feels really solid, not wobbly or flimsy. These look way more high-end than you'd expect at this price point. The black metal frame with the brown gives it that clean, modern, and farmhouse outdoor look, which is perfect for my setup. They're taller with the high backs, so they actually feel like real seating and not those awkward short bar stools. What surprised me though is the fabric. It's breathable, so you don't get that sticky feeling in the heat. The padding makes a huge difference. It's not overly cushioned, but it's definitely comfortable for sitting for a while. The 360-degree swivel is smooth, and it's super convenient, especially if you're talking, cooking, or turning toward the yard. I love the armrest and the footrest. It's actually relaxing to sit in. This is one of those chairs you actually sit in and don't immediately want to get up from it. We were sent these to put together and test out, and these are built with a metal frame. It's got the weather-resistant fabric, they hold up well outside, the fabric dries quickly after rain, and it doesn't feel cheap or stretchy. It feels sturdy once assembled, so there's no creaking or shifting. I would definitely recommend these.